Right, so I'm interviewing my client Charles Shave, and where are you, Charles?
In Durban.
Durban. So, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I am 57 years old.
Okay, cool. So you're a little bit older than me by 6 years, which is not so bad. So can I look at your FX Blue? Can I show everybody what we're doing here?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is AnyDesk, and where we're going to go? We're going to go to the internet, and here is your FX Blue. So this is your account, and you started with what sort of capital did you deposit? Oh, well, it says here. Let's have a look here. So this is a cent account. So there was $1,000, $1,342, $2,650, and then it's $3,595. So your total deposit is $3,595.
Yeah.
And this account has been going for 284 days. So just under a year. And your total return is 257%.
Yeah.
With a peak drawdown of 3.4%. That is amazing. Are you happy with the robot?
No, very happy.
What are you trading here? You're trading currencies and you're trading gold.
Yeah, so there's and just the reason why I had to put those deposits in is that my drawdown got a bit hectic.
Yeah.
So I had to put some. That was in the early days when I was learning, and I was very happy. I was probably like everyone else, greedy.
Yeah.
And wanted to make as much money as I can, so I put a couple for about a week or two I traded at lot size 2.
Yes.
And then what you'll remember is that I'm not quite sure which month it was, either in October or November or early December, where we had the Euro USD just going completely opposite my trades.
Yes.
And then I had Great British Pound JPY, and I've still got those trades. Some of them there.
Yes.
And they were all in lot size 2. So, of course, my drawdown
got a little bit away with you.
Yeah.
But that's fine. We've got the strategy for you to get out of it. I don't know if you're going to follow that strategy.
Yeah.
So are you happy with the returns that you've made?
No, very good. As I said, I've tried to work it out, but I didn't have this FX Plus, which I can see now. But
yeah,
I try and I think I'm doing about that's monthly return 14%. So
yeah,
so on my size account, it's between $40 and $50 a day. Is that about right?
Yes.
800 to 1,000.
Correct.
Yeah, it's about $50 a day. So. And I mean, I sent you that those pictures of my screen, and is that I pay for the bot in 3 to 4 days, basically.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Okay, so well then you must be tickled.
Yeah, no, very happy.
Okay, so you've made $5,358 profit, and so you made a small withdrawal there. Was that just to test the withdrawal process?
Yeah, I didn't know how to do it.
Oh, okay. So you did a withdrawal, and then you did a little deposit just to check if probably if the portal was working, if you could withdraw some funds, see if it's real. Is that what that was?
Correct.
Okay, cool. 100%. Okay. So, what would you tell potential clients that watch this video about? Number one, the software. What do you enjoy most? The software, the group, the masterminds.
I just think it's a combination of everything. I think first of all, you'll see on the group there some people or members of the group are actually incredibly knowledgeable.
Very.
And I think also, as I said the other day, I think your motivational posts are superb.
Thank you.
I think, as I said to you, that I trade with 4 bots, 3 currency pairs and 1 gold, and on the group everyone seems to prefer the gold bot, but I'm not against the gold bot, but I seem to make most of my money out of the currency pairs. And as I said to you, I trade them. I trade manually. In other words, I don't place trades manually. I close trades manually.
Okay.
Because as I said, I'm a bit like I don't have the time to sit and look at my screen all day. So I do it in the afternoon from 4:30 to 6.
Okay.
And then again, because I also trade in the US. I trade stocks in the US.
Okay.
So Forex to me is completely, I'm still battling to understand it. And I just can't handle the manipulation,
Yes.
by these central banks. But generally, I think that the returns are really good. And I mean, I'm sure anyone would be happy with $50 a day. I mean, and my accounts, look, I don't know, my account's probably small, but I think as it gets bigger and bigger, and you're able to increase your lot size, because I think our account is getting quite close to a sort of, I call it equilibrium. And what I mean by that is that it doesn't, if for whatever reason there's a huge spike in whatever currency pair,
it's not going to affect your account.
Doesn't really get, it used to, but not anymore. It doesn't really get into danger. If I can use that term, my drawdown doesn't get smashed.
Right.
It goes down I've looked at between 5 and 10%.
Okay.
That's what I find. But generally, I think the returns are incredible, really. I mean, where are you going to get? So, I mean, if you're making, I try to work it out. It's 10%. So, well, this is what's this? 14%.
That's per month.
So
in total, you've made
257%. We run a business and other businesses and Forex and this. And where are you going to get 14% monthly return?
Nowhere.
Huh?
Nowhere.
Yeah, and also
with me.
I mean, those returns are even better because last month, January, I wiped out about $900 worth of trades.
Okay.
Just to clean up my account and try and claw back some of those trades I lost with, when the trend went against me.
Okay. So why do you do that? Why don't you just leave your robot to just do its thing?
Well, because it's okay. Well, the problem was my lot size.
Yes.
And that was, now I can just let it go. But
so your lot size you chose a lot size that was just too big for your account at that stage.
At that stage.
So you just got stuck in a few trades and then you just closed them out, and now you're running pretty much automated. Correct.
So, and as I said, I do the right things. Also, what I do is I move my stop loss. I look at it.
You mean your take profit?
My take profit. My take profit. Yeah. I move it because if I see something's trending, and
you take advantage
I can see
of that
the
trend.
trend is reversed.
Okay.
And the dollar average costing, and again, I'm not exactly sure on the percentage, which because some of them end up in a loss, a small percent, maybe 20%. I'm not entirely sure what the ratio is. And so I just move them, and I move the stop losses, and I rest them on some sort of resistance support level. And I just leave it there, and so the trades don't make any loss. So I just, that's what I do. I do that quite a lot.
Let me ask you. So, how long do you spend per day on the account trading?
Okay. Well, not a lot of time. I'd say actual time. I'd say maybe. I do it after hours. I do it for maybe, and again, it's sometimes when I'm moving, take profits around, it takes a bit longer, but half an hour?
A day?
Yeah.
Okay, but I mean half an hour a day in the afternoon where you're not working, so it's out of work hours, and you're making 257% profit. I would say that's a good strategy.
Yeah, it's and as I said, I just do the right things.
Yeah. So you only do it like once a day.
Sorry?
You only do it once a day.
No, I do it. I'll do it again. I'll do it in the morning. I wake up in the morning. You must realize that this thing's addictive. And I'm sure
Of course.
you've also caught the same bug.
Of
clearly.
course.
But it's yeah. So I definitely wake up because, as you know, it's really active between sort of 7:30 and 8:00, or between around about 8:30. It gets and then settles down, and then again it picks up in the afternoon, as you know.
Yeah.
So I mean, the times to watch it, I watch it in the morning, and again in the late afternoon.
Yeah. So
and then I do the normal things, you know, like you said, when there's high news, I just turn it off.
Exactly. Don't trade during news, 100%.
Yeah.
So what would you say to clients, potential people? Good investment, worth doing?
Well, I mean, I would say it's an incredible investment.
Is it simple?
But it's like anything in life, is that you've got to watch it.
Of course, like anything. There's no set and forget in life.
Something.
Yeah.
If you're looking for an investment that you can just turn it on and just leave it, well, this is the wrong one. You've got to keep. I know what my drawdown is all day.
Yes, of course.
I know what I look at on my phone. You know, I know what my percentage levels are. So, you know.
But I mean, that's not working the robot. That's just checking your account, seeing how much profit you've made. That's the addictive part of the program.
Yeah, so I mean, so it's a really incredible investment if you're prepared to spend, you know, half an hour or maybe, I don't know if half an hour is good or bad, I'll be honest.
Well, I don't spend that much. Mine is pretty much automated. I spend maybe 15 minutes a month on my robot. But I mean, you know, each person's different. They've got different strategies, and that's cool. That's what makes this robot and this program unique. You're in control of your money. You're in control of the robot. Excuse me. You're in control of the robot, and you're in control of your financial destiny. And that's all I'm interested in.
Yeah, I know it's been a really, you know.
Was it simple to get started?
It was. It was very easy, I think.
Okay, cool.
You know,
so my videos are easy to follow.
No, very much so. This, as I said, you know, when I spoke to you the other day, is that getting my head around your tables with your lot sizes for gold, and that's when I just, you know, I haven't got the time to study that and really understand it. So I just go with your principle, basically, you know, 0.01 per $100.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Okay.
You know, that's because, you know, all those tables, and then, so yeah, no, I think it's but I think, you know, you need to, but this thing is highly addictive, like incredible. Even on Saturday, you know, obviously it doesn't work on Saturdays and Sundays, but I'm forever looking at this bloody thing.
Well, it's nice.
It is.
It's just an amazing concept. Can't wait for the new robot to come up, but we'll discuss that later on. Hopefully we'll have it in the next couple of months, which is really exciting.
Yeah, and I think, you know, when my account, I mean, it's gone from, you know, okay, there has been some deposits, but
no, well, your profit there, the closed profit is $5,358. So 5,358 times 16, it's 85,000 Rand in the space of 284 days. That's unbelievable.
No, it's very good.
I mean, that's amazing profit. What do you do, Charles?
I have a couple of things. We have a business down here, which I run, which is called Industrial Clean. We import cleaning equipment, Nilfisk cleaning equipment from Denmark. Okay. And WAP, I don't know if you heard of WAP.
Yeah, no, WAP, yeah. It's the pressure.
I have WAP business down here, and our other main businesses, and then of course a big part of my is we have a property portfolio down here, commercial property portfolio. Okay. Which we run, and then we've been trading. We're traders. You know, stock traders. Okay. And we trade in the US.
Where are you based?
We go through Interactive Brokers in the US.
No, you yourself. Where are you based?
Oh, here in Durban.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, where? Umhlanga or?
No, Morningside.
Oh, okay, nice.
Korea.
Okay, lekker. Yeah. All right.
So. No, as I said, I think it's you know, if you're looking at those sort of returns, it's really they're incredible. You know, and
happy.
also I've made a lot of mistakes in these figures. These figures are getting better and better all the time. You know, as my account gets bigger, I basically want to try and get up to making $100 a day. Maybe that's pie in the sky. But I'm not
sure. It's not. You'll get your account up to $18,000. You'll be doing it, and also your skill level is improving as well. So possibly your percentage growth per month is also increasing, I'm sure.
Yeah, I mean, as I said to you, I mean, in December I made $1,600.
Yeah, that's amazing.
You know, and then if you take off the, you know, kind of like equals it out, because then I closed out about $900 worth of trades in January. But I've already, you know, all those, you know, it affected my account balance, obviously.
Yes.
But my account balance is now where it was, you know, a month ago, and I closed all those trades out.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic. Well, I'm really happy that you're enjoying the program and the robots and the interaction on the Telegram groups, which is really amazing. I think we've got some really intelligent people on there, and I'm looking forward to seeing your results in the next 6 months to a year.
Yeah,
I'll call you again and see how you're doing.
That's with pleasure, no problem.
Thanks, Charles. I really appreciate the testimonial video, man.
No, hundreds.
Cool.
No problem.
Okay.